there, I'm Mary and this is Stefanini's Behind the Screen. To answer this question, I'm here with Giandri Machado, our Global Digital Transformation and Innovation Director at Stefanini. He's going to give us a little bit of insight into what smart cities are and what we can expect from the future. So first of all, thanks so much for joining me today, Giandri.
Hi Mary, thanks for having me here.
All right, so quality of life is obviously a big motivator for making cities smarter. So in your view, how do smart cities how do smart cities improve the lives of citizens?
Mary, there is one key metric about smart city implementation, is to save time to the citizen. The citizen needs to be recognized as a resident, a worker, or a visitor. And the citizen needs to spend less time in the traffic congestion, to spend less time discussing bills or handling problems with the utility companies, water, gas, electricity, or communication. Mary, the smart city implementation needs to be focused on the citizen. The citizen, I would mention resident and the visitor or any worker that's spending time that moment in that city. If the citizen is spending less time in the traffic, spending less time handling outage problems, leaking problems, or discussing bills with the utility companies, or with safety, with health, this time is being allocated to the family or to enjoyment. So this metric is about 125 hours per citizen over the world. That is the magic numbers where the smart cities all over the world are working as a target. It means 3 weeks per year.
Great. All right, so what kind of solutions does Stefanini offer?
So Stefanini is not only about the technologies those are available, and we have a wide range of technologies available all over the world to deploy a smart city. I would say that there is no missing point, there is no gap between the technologies, everything is available. If you know the citizen problems, if you know the city problem, and you understand, you study it correctly, the technologies are there. The smart city is also about to publish information, to communicate to the citizen. So apps and portals needs to be developed and deployed in order to disseminate information and improve the citizen understanding about what's going on. Stefanini also has been delivering all those interfaces for the citizen and for organizations, commerce, whatever. The player that needs to collect information from a smart city.
All right, so in your view, what does the future look like for smart cities?
I like to say that the future of smart cities now, mainly because I mentioned that technology is here, we know the problems, we understand our citizens, we understand what needs to be improved, so it's more about make it happen. So there are a lot of ways to study each city detailed and make this implementation. So the future is now because everything is available, but naturally, even the implementations that are even ready and being established all over the world needs to be improved and needs to be following the tendency of the city and the growth of the city. It's a continuous improvement, and there are several other cities that even did not start anything.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today, Giandri. I learned a lot, and hopefully our viewers did too.
Thank you, Mary. I appreciate your time with me here. I hope I have contributed with the knowledge and the awareness of smart city for our audience. Thank you very much.
Great.